Redstor have also developed what we call cloud-to-cloud backups. This is where we can back up out of a cloud service provider such as Office 365. Let me give you a brief demonstration. So I've connected to our web console. This is where I then need to log in with my username and password that Redstor have supplied. At the moment you'll see that I don't have any cloud-to-cloud backup set up yet, so let's set up a new one now. I'm going to give my backup set a name. In this case I'm going to do Microsoft's Office 365 OneDrive. As you can see, we already support OneDrive, SharePoint, and email is coming very soon. Now it's time to authenticate with Office 365. In order to access Office 365, we need to grant permissions to the cloud-to-cloud backup service to gain access to your data. Now that I've successfully authenticated with Office 365, it's now time to select my OneDrive accounts. This is where I can choose the different departments and then click Save. Now it's time to configure a backup set. In this case, I'm happy to back up every day at 8 o'clock. Let's now kick off a backup. Now that the backup has finished, let's look at the recovery options. We can either recover back to Office 365 as simply as choose the option, choose the user's OneDrive in this case, and then choose which date, whether it's the last successful backup date or a custom date and time. The other way of restoring data is using our instant data. This is where, when you choose instant data and choose the user that you'd like to get access to, you can then choose how long the user can access their OneDrive outside of Office 365. This will then send you an email to the user with a link and all of the credentials in order to gain access directly from Redstor.